The latest model of electric air fryer lets you enjoy your favorite foods without the added calories of oil. Power supply. 120 volt, 60 Hz. Touch screen accessibility to manually program cooking time, or select from one of 7 built-in smart programs: chips, meat, chicken, steak, shrimp and fish. A button guard prevents accidental detachment of the basket. Adjustable temperature from 170 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit allows you to prepare a variety of food from crispy fries to juicy wings with little to no oil. Cook from 1 to 30 minutes. 30-minute timer with automatic standby feature that switches the fryer into standby mode upon completion. Alarm indicator lets you know when your meal has finished cooking. ETL certified. The detachable basket makes it easy to transfer food to the plate. This air fryer is designed to automatically turn off when the basket is removed from the air fryer or after the timer is done. Rated power, 1400 watts. Top reviews from the United States. Really easy to use. It's a great tool for making simple things fast. The fryer is inexpensive, relative to other fryers, and was rated Best Budget Fryer by America's Test Kitchen, which is great testimony. It only goes to 400 F, but few baked items require higher temperatures. For a bachelor or someone that lives with time constraints, this is a great addition to your kitchen.